Well, here we are again, guys. Back at the hole. Looks like they've done some work in here, so which is okay. That's where I was digging. They've taken out a good portion of this tree area, but nobody's really dug back there. I think it's a little bit too far back for me to get to now. And this stuff is about to slide into it. I have been working it over here. I think that's where I'll dig today. I tried there. Last time I was here and I didn't get anything right there, but maybe I move that boulder out of the way. That pay line, or that layer is like right about there, so I'm thinking if I could move some of that off over to there, that stuff right there, move that big boulder out of the way, maybe move it down over here or something. I can get in there and start chipping away at that. This side they really opened up, so I don't know if I should get down in there. I really don't want to because it's wet. It's not that much water in there, but that layer right there, the boulder sticking out right in there, is that same layer, I think. And that looks like some good ground. Sorry about that. Camera cut out. Ran out of space, so I had to delete some stuff. But anyways, I think I'm going to take some of that out and see what we got there. If nothing happens, then I'll probably move over there and see what we got there. Got the sluice set up, ready to go. I'll do some digging, and I'll check back with you guys later. Hey everybody, just got through 5 buckets. About 11 o'clock now. Been up here for, got all set up and everything by like 9, a little before 9, so been digging for about 2 hours. Only got through 5 buckets, but I moved a lot of dirt. Had to move a lot of overburden. Stuff kept falling in and get some big boulders out of the way, so let's take a look. So that's what it looks like now. I had to move that big boulder there, that one there. That one's about to come out, so I'm just about to get underneath that. Well, I just did start getting underneath that. First 4 buckets, I didn't see anything, and I was pretty much just moving overburden out of the way. Had to move that big sucker right there, and now I finally have gotten down to that pay level. So this 5th bucket, I finally started to see some gold. So I got about 6 pieces. There's one good sized piece in there, and then about 4 smaller ones, and then a couple of really tiny ones. But yeah, so I'm gonna move that guy right there in just a minute. So take a break for a second, and then maybe that one right there. But that sucker is pretty loose, so I want to get as much as I can out of this area before I start messing with that, just to make sure I get everything I can. Because if I move that big one right there, that's kind of helping to hold this one up, and if that falls over, then pretty much done there. So I'm gonna get as much as I can out of there, and maybe just kind of continue around this guy now that I'm down to that pay layer. So show you the box real quick. Like I said, I just started seeing gold out of this 5th bucket. And you can see a couple right there. There's a decent sized one. There's one behind it. And there's 3 right up there. So, but anyways, I'm gonna take a break for a minute and get back to it, and I'll check back in with you guys a little later. What's going on, everybody? Just Just took a break, had a sandwich, had some lunch, and so I'm going to show you. I've done another 2 buckets since the last video, so 6 and 7, and I've dug that out quite a bit, and I got some good pay out of it. So I'm going to show you the sluice real quick. Couple pieces there, couple pieces there. There's a nice fat one right there. Couple smaller ones around it. Smaller there. All from here. And a couple little things over there too. You can see. It's a good amount. Actually, there's some more there. There's a good amount in there. That's why it's so important about where you're digging. I mean, a foot difference. You know, there was nothing for 4 buckets. I got down, a foot below it, and in 2 buckets, all that got put in the box. So. Anyways, just thought I'd show you guys real quick, and it's getting pretty hot up here, so I don't know how much more I'm gonna last, but I'll probably do another bucket or 2 and then call it a day. Alright, I'll talk to you later. Well, I was only able to get 1 more bucket done. It's just too hot. So total I did 8 buckets, but I was really scraping this hole to get all the stuff out, so there it is. I got it, I took it down pretty far, but in that crevice right there, I cleaned all that out, and in there, I scraped it as much as I could. So, but I got some good, nice gold out of it, so I'll show you the box real quick and clean up and get out of here. I don't know if you can see it, there's the glare off the sun, but